Welcome to Huawei's Microwave Top O&M Assistant video class. Hello everyone, I am Yang Shai-Shen from the GTS NTD team. Today I will talk about how to replace IF cables, wear ESD gloves. For single-channel IF boards, slightly pull the switch lever outwards to the 0 position. For dual-channel IF boards, turn off the power switch of the ODU through the NE Explorer. Before removing the IF cable, first remove the waterproofing tape. Align the IF cable connector with the IF port of the ODU and then screw it tightly to the port. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in one layer of PVC tape. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in 3 layers of waterproofing tape. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in 3 layers of PVC tape. Use cable ties to bind the tape. For single-channel IF boards, slightly pull the switch lever outwards to the 1 position. For dual-channel IF boards, turn on the soft power switch of the ODU through the NE Explorer. That is all for this class. Thanks for your interest. Now after this class, you know how to replace IF cables. See you next class.